Okay. It's okay.
What you do in school today, Mason?
In school, sit down. Just sit down my chair.
You sit down on your chair?
Yeah, sit down my own chair.
On your own chair?
Yeah, sit down my
Did you learn anything?
Yeah.
What you learn?
This one it's just more purple.
Did you learn your ABCs?
Yeah, more ABCs and more purple.
And Papa.
Yeah, even more purple.
Mary Poppins?
No, this one, they're my shoes.
Your shoes?
No, yeah. Let's see upstairs.
Okay. What? Oh! You ready? Sugar Wugas, I'm back at y'all again with another video, and I'm home and we're relaxed. I have my boy Mason with me. So what we're going to do is we're going to say the prayer and we're going to get this thing started. Amen. Okay. Hey Sugar Wugas, so if y'all new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Thumbs up this video, all that good stuff. Okay, my Sugar Wugas? Oh, look what I have today. I thought I'd try it. I don't eat cucumbers that often. No, I don't. But I do like them. And rice and the sausages. Hey, I see y'all doing it. I felt like, let me do it too. Yes. And see what the fuss is all about. About the cucumbers, the rice, and the sausage. And some macaroni sauce. Can't leave it out. I have it. Can't leave that out. Okay, let's get started. Mason, say hi, Sugar Wugas.
Hi.
Hey. You ready to eat some sausage?
Yeah, I want to eat sausage.
Okay. Let me put some of that. I'm going to put some of this sauce
You go put sausage
on the rice.
You go put sausage on my. You go put sausage on rice.
On the rice. Yeah, I'm gonna just put a little. I'm gonna put a little on the rice, okay, just to have it on there. See that, y'all? Put it on the rice. Put it on the rice. Huh? I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna put some of that goodness on there too, y'all. Put some of that goodness on here. Woo! I don't care if it spill. We're gonna make a mess. There we go. I'm going to put that on there like that. I'm going to start off with that. And I'll dip it or something. All right. You ready, Mason?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this out. Let's try it. Yeah, I'll put it on your plate.
On my plate?
I'm going to put some of this because I know you like the sauce, right? He liked the sauce. I'm going to put it on his plate. Let him go. There you go. Which one? This one?
Yeah.
That one. That one. Alright. So, let me see. I know it's steps to it, but I forgot the steps. So, I'm going to just take my spoon like that. Dip it a little bit in that. And put me a sausage on there like that. And, yeah. Okay. Okay. That's good, Mason. Alright. I waited too long for this. I should have been did this. I ain't know. I was like, what are they doing? But I like it. I really do. The sausage and you eat that. Okay. Is good? My goodness, I like it. I ain't even just saying this either. Let me put that on. That's a different taste. Different taste, but good, y'all. I'm about to tear it up. I'm gonna put me a whole sausage on there. I'm about to get a big spoonful. I'm gonna put that. Put cucumber right. Dip it in there. I'm gonna put a cucumber right in there. Y'all want some? Just like this? I'm gonna put some rice on there. Let me see if I can get it close here without it falling. There you go. Take a bite. Open up wide. Eat that. Hey. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Okay. I keep saying okay. I wasn't sure. You see my little bite-sized cucumbers? I'm sorry, I ain't feel like cutting all that other stuff up. This is good. Good, good, good. Hey. My Suga Wugas. You want to take it? He's like, no. Mason got chocolate milk. Tell him you got chocolate milk, Mason. Why you ain't tell him what you got to drink?
Chocolate in the cup.
I know. Got chocolate milk in your cup. This is delicious. Got me over here. I'm like, what? Y'all ain't tried. I'm sure y'all already did. I'm all late, but try. Go ahead. Oh man, go come there. Let me continue eating this goodness. I know one thing. You know how you make y'all sauce, y'all? I know y'all know. And you know, if you made it a couple days and then you sit, it gets extra spicy. That's what's going on over here. Excuse me.
Spicy. Pretty hot. It's pretty spicy.
It is spicy. Isn't it, Mason?
It smells.
No. Pepsi! Woo, hit you extra when you're eating something spicy. Excuse me. Ooh. You don't want that one?
No.
Okay.
What's more?
You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. He don't like these. Well, he like them, but I guess he like the links better. That's okay. Keep dipping it. Yes. You like school?
Yeah.
You like school, Mason?
There you go.
This is filling too. All this rice and this is really filling. Let me dip that in here. Woo. Okay, really good. I'm gonna take a couple more bites and then I'm gonna do my shout outs for the notification gang. Yep. That's all. If you want to be shouted out, woo! Woo, my Suga Wugas, woo. If you want to be shouted out, be one of the first ones to comment on this video. The first ones to comment on video. I know I ain't big or nothing like that, but like I always say, every little bit counts. You never know. So be one of the first ones to comment on this video, and I'll shout you out. Throw all your information in my description box and shout you out. All right. I got something else to say after I take another couple bites. Hope y'all still with me. Hope you're still with me, my Suga Wugas. This is all right. Excellent. I'm gonna do this again. I don't know where no. I'm gonna go down. Good. You want some more rice?
Yeah, I want some more rice.
Alright. With this guy or this?
No.
This?
No.
This?
No.
You want some more? This one? This one. This one? This one? Alright. Damn. Okay, I'm Suga Wugas. That's a lot of rice. You know I'm not gonna eat all this rice. I just threw it up there because just threw it up there. You know. Whew. This is spicy. And then I gotta put my sausage on that. I'm putting my sausage right there. Y'all want another bite? Here, another bite. So, sausage. Take a bite. Take a bite, Dad. And you gotta take a bite of that with it. Good. Oh, good. What? What are you talking about? What do you say, y'all? Y'all don't know what you talking about? Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, the Suga Wugas?
Yeah.
Oh, you talking about y'all, Suga Wugas? What about the Suga Wugas? Yeah, they watching.
Yeah, they're watching. One guy.
Who eat nice? What? Hey, Suga Wugas, look. Let me take another bite. So look. Hey, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to do 3 giveaways, okay, when I reach 500. Because I'm going to be excited. Every number means a lot, I guess. But I'm going to be excited. I'm trying to 5, then on up. But I feel like I want to do that. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So, wait a minute. So, 3 giveaways. And this is how I'm going to do it. When I reach 250, I'm going to start pulling names from my comments and put them into whatever I choose to put them into, names. When I reach 250, I'm going to start doing that. So I can have a build-up of names in my little whatever I decide to put them in. And then, as soon as I hit the 500 mark, I'm going to come do a video with my Suga Wugas. And that's when I'm going to draw the names at the 500 mark. Okay? And in order to enter To win the giveaway, of course you have to subscribe. You have to comment on whatever video. You have to comment. And if I decide to say, comment below, enter me or whatever, and I see you did that, I will do a video and I will pull your name. I will say your name, that your name is going into my little thing, whatever I choose to put the names into. But I'm going to explain this several times as I keep throwing the videos out. Okay? Okay. He wants some sauce on his rice. Alright. There you go. There you go. Stop. So, that's that. Excuse me. Okay. Take another bite of this. I'm gonna eat that. Right in that song. Go. Right? So, let me get to my shout out. No, okay, I'm gonna get you some of what's going. He's serious, look at him. Nice now. Where's y'all going? Okay, let me get you some. Let me do these shout outs.
Give me my corn.
Let me do these shout outs. Can I do the shout outs? Shout outs? Okay. So, the first shout out goes to Diversity University. Say Diversity University. Diversity University, I really thank you for stopping by my channel, commenting and all of that. I really appreciate the support, the love that you showed to my channel. Thank you, Diversity University. Thank you so much. I will pop you up on my little screen right here. Okay? Alright. Alright, let me do another little bite. Let me do another bite. Sausage.
That's chocolate.
Remember?
The hiccups.
Oh, do you got the hiccups? My second shout out goes to the Warren family. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for coming by my channel, stopping by, showing Sugar Mama love. I appreciate you. I appreciate all the support. Thank you so much. And you should pop up right there. Ah! Alright. Woo! I'm full, y'all. Let me take a swig. You want some? You know he always wants. You see how he's looking at that? Sit down. I don't want you spilling that. Alright? Alright? Alright. Okay, my Suga Wugas. My third and final shout out for this video is, I hope I say your name right. If I don't say it right, I'm so sorry. I'm going to pop it up on the screen so everyone can see the correct spelling and all of that, okay? And I really want to thank you again. Anyway, the third one is, oh, I dropped you. I'm sorry. Is Saunya Line 1. Yeah, see? No. Say it. Saunya Line 1. Alright? That's just, so, thank you so much for stopping by, checking me out, showing me all kind of love, comment, all that. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, okay? Thank you so much, and I will pop you up on the screen. Okay?
Okay. It's okay.
What you do in school today, Mason?
In school, sit down. Just sit down myself.
You sit down on your chair?
Yeah, I sit down in my own chair.
In your own chair.
Yeah, I sit down in my
Did you learn anything?
Yeah.
What you learn?
This was it's more purple.
Did you learn your ABCs?
Yeah, more ABCs. They're more purple.
And Papa.
Yeah, they're more purple.
Mary Poppins?
No, this one, they're more shoes.
Your shoes?
No, yeah. My shoes are stairs.
Okay. What? Oh. You ready to go? All right. Tell Suga Wugas. Ready to go? Suga Wugas, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let us go. Ha! Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thumbs up this video. Yeah, thumbs up the video. And comment, like, and share. Or I always said like and thumbs up. Anyway, my Suga Wugas, I'm going to leave you with a big old hug. You want to give the Suga Wugas a hug? You gotta sit down before you fall. You wash your face. Alright. Yeah, be some time like that. Alright, you gotta give Suga Wugas a hug like this. We see y'all on my next video.